The Komodo dragon is the largest living species of lizard, native to the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Motang. This formidable reptile has captured the fascination of scientists and the general public alike, thanks to its impressive size, predatory prowess, and unique evolutionary adaptations. The Komodo dragon belongs to the family Varanidae, which includes monitor lizards. Fossil evidence suggests that the ancestors of Komodo dragons evolved in Australia and spread to Indonesia millions of years ago. Their lineage can be traced back to the Pleistocene epoch, around 2.6 million years ago, when they first appeared on the Indonesian islands. The species' scientific name, Varanus komodensis, reflects its primary habitat on Komodo Island. Komodo dragons are endemic to the Lesser Sunda Islands in Indonesia, where they inhabit savannas, grasslands, and tropical forests. These islands provide a variety of microhabitats, including dry, open areas, dense forests, and mangrove swamps, which support the Komodo dragon's diverse prey base. The climate of the region is characterized by a dry season from May to October and a wet season from November to April, which influences the dragon's behavior and hunting patterns. Komodo dragons are known for their massive size, with males reaching lengths of up to 3 meters and weighing as much as 70 kilograms. Females are generally smaller, averaging around 2.5 meters in length and weighing up to 50 kilograms. They have robust, muscular bodies covered in rough, scaly skin that provides protection against environmental hazards and physical confrontations. Their heads are equipped with powerful jaws and serrated teeth, similar to those of sharks, which can grow up to 2.5 centimeters in length. These teeth are designed for tearing flesh, and their bite delivers a combination of mechanical force and venom, making them highly effective predators. Komodo dragons have long, muscular tails that they use for balance, swimming, and defense, as well as strong, clawed limbs for digging and capturing prey. Komodo dragons are solitary animals, coming together only to mate and feed on large carcasses. They are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day, and spend much of their time patrolling their territories in search of food. Their diet is primarily carnivorous, consisting of a wide range of prey, including deer, wild boar, water buffalo, and even smaller Komodo dragons. They are also opportunistic scavengers, feeding on carrion when available. Komodo dragons are ambush predators, relying on stealth and patience to capture their prey. They use their keen sense of smell to detect animals from several kilometers away, tracking them by flicking their forked tongues to gather airborne scent particles. Once they have located their target, they lie in wait, often near water holes or along game trails, until an unsuspecting animal comes within striking distance. When attacking, Komodo dragons lunge at their prey with remarkable speed, delivering a powerful bite that incapacitates the animal. The dragon's saliva contains a mix of toxic proteins and bacteria that can cause severe infections, leading to sepsis and death in the bitten animal within a few days. The venom also contains anticoagulants that prevent the prey's blood from clotting, causing it to bleed out more quickly. After inflicting a bite, the dragon often follows the wounded animal until it succumbs to its injuries, then consumes it at leisure. Komodo dragons are capable of consuming up to 80% of their body weight in a single meal. Their expandable stomachs allow them to gorge on large quantities of meat, which they can store as fat reserves during times of scarcity. They use their sharp claws and powerful jaws to dismember their prey, swallowing large chunks of flesh whole. Their efficient digestive system enables them to extract maximum nutrients from their food, leaving behind only bones and hair. Komodo dragons reach sexual maturity around the age of 7 to 10 years. Mating season occurs between May and August, during which males engage in fierce combat to win the attention of females. These battles involve grappling and biting, with the victor earning the right to mate. Females lay their eggs in September, choosing nest sites in burrows or mounds of vegetation to protect them from predators and environmental extremes. A typical clutch consists of 15 to 30 eggs, which incubate for around 7 to 8 months before hatching. The hatchlings, measuring about 40 centimeters in length, are vulnerable to predation and spend their early years living in trees to avoid being eaten by larger Komodo dragons, birds of prey, and other predators. They feed on insects, small reptiles, and birds until they are large enough to descend to the ground and join the adult population. Komodo dragons have evolved several adaptations that enable them to thrive in their harsh environment. Their keen sense of smell, acute vision, and powerful limbs make them effective hunters, while their venomous bite ensures that even if a prey animal escapes initially, it will eventually succumb to its injuries. Their ability to consume large quantities of food in a single sitting and store fat reserves allows them to endure periods of food scarcity. In addition to their physical adaptations, Komodo dragons exhibit behaviors that enhance their survival. For example, they use their strong claws to dig burrows where they can escape the heat of the day and avoid detection by predators. They are also known to engage in cannibalism, which reduces competition for resources and provides a reliable source of food during lean times. The Komodo dragon is listed as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List, with an estimated population of around 3,000 to 5,000 individuals. The primary threats to their survival include habitat loss, poaching of their prey species, and human-wildlife conflict. Climate change poses an additional risk, as rising temperatures and sea levels could alter their habitat and reduce the availability of fresh water. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting Komodo dragons include habitat preservation, anti-poaching measures, and community-based initiatives to promote coexistence between humans and dragons. The Indonesian government has established Komodo National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to safeguard critical habitats and provide a sanctuary for the species. Additionally, research programs and captive breeding efforts are underway to increase our understanding of Komodo dragon biology and support population recovery.